All right, so we understand as well that a tree has fallen on a school bus.
It was earlier and all the kids are okay, but we have Bryant Madrick who has been standing by tracking this. Bryant, again, I want to clarify, the kids, the driver are okay?
Yeah, that is right. There were no kids on the bus when this incident happened, just the school bus driver. No serious injuries. That driver told me that he had some back pain, but he is okay. So that's the good news. But this is the bus behind me, and I want you to take a close look. I'm going to point it out. This is where the tree hit that bus, right here on the driver's side windshield. All of this happening around 4:30 this afternoon. I talked with the school bus driver shortly after this incident happened. He told me that he had just dropped off a child and was driving up here on 55th Street. We're between Garfield and Brooklyn, and that's when this incident happened. That's when the tree hit his bus. Now, the tree, it's dark out here, but the tree actually fell just a few yards away from where we're standing. It's dark out here because the power was knocked out when that tree fell down. It knocked down some power lines, and it's been like this now for at least the last hour or so. And right now, Evergy, they're on the scene working to get that power back on. But this bus right here has been at this spot since that incident happened. The bus driver's okay. There were no children on that bus, so that is the good news. And what has really been a pretty scary afternoon here in this neighborhood. At the moment, 55th between Brooklyn and Garfield, where we are right now, is closed. Evergy, they're out here. I spoke with a worker with Evergy. He tells me that he's been working since the morning, and it has been a busy day, even though now appears to be the most extreme of the weather that we're seeing. Of course, all day it's been busy, and that Evergy worker telling me that he's been working around the clock throughout the day, dealing with a lot of trees that have been knocked down. So pretty busy scene out here, but once again, no injuries after this tree fell on that bus. Back to you guys.